So today in this class we are discussing about the chromosomal abnormalities, or you can say chromosomal mutations, or you can say the chromosomal changes, either in any form. So like in earlier chapters we have learned that genes are there. So genes are bound to be changed, and it will change a certain type of production of certain different kinds of protein and something. So differently, chromosomes are nothing but it contains large number of genes. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ, and chromosomal abnormalities ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ there are number of problems will arise. So what kind of different kinds of abnormalities we can see in chromosomes? So normally you have the 46 number of chromosomes. 46 number of chromosomes in humans. So similarly, so instead of 46, the number changes from 46, either it may be 45, 44 or something else other than 46, or you can say 47, 48, 49 until 59 is also recorded. So number of chromosomes instead of 46 is bound to be changed. Then you can say there something is changed in chromosomal number. So similarly, so first one is changes in number. Changes in number. So like instead of 46, the number is got to be changed. Either it may be in sex chromosomes, so sex chromosome, that is either XX or XY. So either any one of the chromosome is deleted or added or something else has happened, then you can say it's a sex chromosomes. And similarly, so next one is aneuploidy. So aneuploidy you can say monosomy and trisomy. So first one is monosomy. So trisomy. Monosomy is nothing but monosomy ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So homologous chromosomes it should be 2. So similarly daughter cell ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. So ಎರಡು ಬರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. So that is number got deleted, that is monosomy. Mono is nothing but a single, one there. So similarly trisomy is there. Trisomy instead of you'll be getting two pairs of a pair of chromosomes. ಎರಡು ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ಗಳು ಡಾಟರ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ instead of 2 there will be 3 chromosomes. So more chromosomes ಬಂದ್ರೆ then it leads to a certain kind of problems in humans. So similarly, so after this changes in number, and similarly second one is changes in structure. So the number got changed leads to certain problems. Similarly, changes in structure is also leads to certain problem. So what kind of changes you can have? So first one is a deletion. So deletion in a part of a chromosome or a whole chromosome. So suppose this chromosome is there. So if it is got deleted instead of little bit, or you can say the same chromosome is there, whole chromosome is deleted, then you can say that is deletion. Deletion is structure or changes in structure. First one is deletion. Second one is duplication. So duplication in the sense a part of a chromosome is got attached there itself or somewhere else, and it creates the same type of protein which is produced by that particular genes which are located in that chromosomes. So that is also duplication occurs, where number of protein got duplicated, and that leads to some sort of abnormalities, that is structural abnormalities. So duplication. So third one we can say that is the inversion. So inversion, where the part of chromosome is got inverted. So if it is should be like this and it is like this. So vice versa. So like suppose it should be A B C D like this. So instead of it will become D C B A. It got reversed there, inversion, and it also leads to certain kinds of defects in protein production in chromosome. Similarly, translocation, last one. So in translocation, the changes in chromosome is got changed to one chromosome, and that chromosomal arm is attached to this chromosome. So fifth chromosome to seventh chromosome. So if suppose this is the fifth chromosome is there, a pair of chromosomes if you consider. So this portion and this portion. So it will be added here and it will be added here, and it will form. So changes, this translocation, transfer from one chromosome to other, and from that chromosome to this chromosomes. So translocation. Similarly, so in this chromosomal abnormalities, you can have changes in number as well as changes in structure. So in changes in number, you can say, so there should be 46 number of, instead of change, if you observe in 46 number of chromosomes, something 44, 45 or 47, 48, something like that, other than 46, then you can say there is a changes in number. So where also you can have the sex chromosome, where a changes either in XX or XY is got deleted or added, then we can say the sex chromosomal abnormality is there. And similarly, second one, B, that is aneuploidy. So wherein, so monosomy is there. So where instead of 2, where it will be 1. So instead of 2 pairs, it will be, instead of 2 chromosomes in a pair, it will be 1 chromosome. You can't call it as a pair. So similarly, trisomy is there. So so instead of 2, it will be 3. So similarly, you can have another one, that is polyploidy. So polyploidy also you can have triploid, tetraploid, pentaploid, hexaploid, something like that. So number of pairs of chromosomes is got doubled. So instead of, suppose for example 8th chromosome is there, there should be 2 pair, 2 chromosomes, 1 pair should be there. Instead of 1, you can have same title, 4 number of chromosomes are there. So all number of chromosomes got included, that is polyploidy. This is about the brief overlook of chromosomal abnormalities. And similarly, second one is the changes in structure, where you can say that deletion is there, a part of the chromosome is got deleted. Andre deleted full arm irbodu, or either P arm irbodu or Q arm irbodu, or a portion of a chromosomal arm is got deleted, and that leads to abnormality. So duplication ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ copy ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So one chromosome ಮೇಲೆ addition duplication ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So it will producing the similar kind of protein excess amount, that also leads to certain kind of abnormalities. So inversion is there. So like chromosome 1 should be arranged in like this, A B C D ಅಂತ one fashion ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. So ಅದು invert ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So like that, instead of A B C D, it will be D C B A. So reverse, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So similarly, you can have the translocation, where so vice versa will take place. So maybe I have given the example 5 and 7 example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ part of chromosome, either arm or a part of chromosome, it got translocated exchange of chromosomal material will take place. That is also called as translocation. So all these things leads to chromosomal abnormalities. Now we can look what are the reasons for this chromosomal abnormalities. Chromosomal abnormality ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಕಾರಣಗಳಿವೆ. Okay. Now look first one. So major reason is the cell division. In a cell division, you have the two kinds of cell division. One is mitosis as well as a meiosis. In mitosis, normal multiplication of cells takes place, like 1 will become 2, 2 will become 4. So in our body part, so all the somatic cells you can say, so mitosis will happen. And similarly, in a reproductive cells, like in a germ cells, you can find a meiosis. In adults, you can find the meiosis, where reproductive cells will take place. The reproduction of cells will take place. And similarly, they will be having 4 phases. So what are those 4 phases? Are PMAT, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So in this prophase, metaphase, and telophase, so metaphase and anaphase are the 2 important steps where the chromosomes will divide into 2. So in metaphase, what happens? So we'll draw these things. Suppose this is a cell is there, it's in a metaphase. So similarly, same cell is there, that is in anaphase. So these are the 2 important steps in metaphase as well as anaphase in cell division. So either you may consider as a meiosis 1 or 2, or you can say the mitosis, normal cell divisions in humans. So here non-disjunction of chromosomes takes place. What do you mean by this non-disjunction of chromosomes? Just I'll repeat these things. Non-disjunction of chromosomes. Non-disjunction of chromosome. So non-disjunction in the sense a placement of chromosome is somehow it is fluctuated. ಏನಾದರೂ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆದರೆ, so then you can say non-disjunction of chromosomes. Chromosomes non-disjunction ಆಗಿವೆ. So ಇವೇ chromosomal abnormalities ಗೆ ಮೂಲ ಕಾರಣಗಳು. So here we are talking of PMAT, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, wherein 2 important steps are there. One is metaphase is there, and the other is anaphase is there. Suppose in metaphase, what happens? Spindle fibers are 2 poles are there, where the chromosomes are in a arranged here. I would say 3 chromosomes. So these are spindle fibers attached to both the poles. So these are in a separate space. So after this metaphase, the cell will move on to the anaphase, where the chromosomes will move to the respective poles here. So this chromosome, so movement of chromosomes will take place here. So these are nothing but the microtubules. Microtubules are the important things here, where they will fletch those chromosomes into the respective poles here. So while fletching, so there should be some sort of microtubules are broken here. Let's say these 2 are broken. Then these 2 chromosomes, they won't come here. So instead of, they will go here. So what happens after the cell divisions? So after the cell divisions, you may find 2 daughter cells, wherein 5 and one chromosomes are there. So let's say this is C1 and C2. So daughter cell 1 and daughter cell 2, where here 5 are there, here 1 are there. But it should be, what it should be? It should be 3 and it should be 3. So instead of 3 here, you have got a 5. Instead of 3 here, you have got a 1. So here minus 2, here plus 3. So this is the, after NFS, what the result we get. So number of chromosomal here subtracted, here added. So like in mitosis as well as meiosis, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, this may happen. So the changes in mitosis will not reflect into the whole body. At the beginning stage, in the early form of life, like at the first cell division, so mitosis is there. If the change is formed, this type of problem will arise, then that leads to around 50% of the chromosomal got problemized. And similarly in meiosis, in the sense, in the parental cells, the reproductive cells, where it got affected in either meiosis 1 and 2, the problem will be for the changes in the number. So this is called as non-disjunction of chromosome. This is the major reason for the chromosomal abnormality.